Hello, this is a video of Rick Rigs by Jove77, and I'm just trying to, and this is multiplayer. My server is called No Kick. No, not a lie. You cannot get kicked. And also War and Sandbox. So the real name is No Kick War and Sandbox. So you can have a war, or you could have a sandbox. Can you detonate something by just gun? Wait, can we shoot some? Oh, well, I guess you can blow it up by doing that. So if you can do that by shooting the things, whatever it's called, like the green stuff, it must mean that you should know. Uh-oh, I clipped my wing. Gonna try landing at the airport. Don't think this is really a good point to go to. Okay. Let's try doing that in a different plane. Let's try doing it in a glider. Cause to me gliders are really nice. Oh no, I mean a normal. This plane is a really good plane, so I'll just have to spawn right here. Okay. Why was it going to run? I should put myself in alt. Okay, this is not a plane how I used to use it. I'm gonna use a different one. I know this is an action plane, but I was thinking about like using it, but I guess I'll just this plane. Maybe it might be nice stunt. It might be Red Bull. That's Red Bull. Gonna try taking off. the air. Well, I guess I can't land, so... Well, actually, I'll try. Because I like trying. No, there is no armament on it. Woo! Hopefully I can land it. Because I want to land this too. Well, I guess I'll slide. Why did I really have to get those wheels? Stop. Hey, it stopped with, well, lots of damage. What does that do? Oh, that blasts it. So that must... So I'm gonna just restart. I lost a wheel. How am I gonna land again? That was a nice recovery. I'll land right there. Don't think I can take off anymore. Well, when did it? Oh, I thought I was gonna say I didn't lose a piece. Just pretend that. Okay, I could fix it. It's fixed. I don't think it will be a nice thing to get back home. So I guess I'm just gonna do this. Because it's more easy. And I like being easy. So I'm gonna find another plane. So, where is it? Wait, I don't want to find that again. Because I just flied. If I was going to have, just Red Bull. Not sponsored. Just say Red Bull, Red Bull, Red Bull, Red Bull. It's called Red Bull. I like Red Bull. I'm gonna wait for it. Please load. I want a joy. Oh, that's it. I'll play with it. I don't want to hear explosion. Ah! Like I expected, that why I can't have good things, I guess. There's a crater there, crater there. Where's the trench? Oh. Where's the trench? Oh, there's the trench. There's the trench. There's the trench. Must be radium. Won't like to touch. Get ready for attack. Sniping. Okay, I don't like. Okay, that's a dead end. Well, there's pretty much nothing in this one. I'm gonna 360 no scope, nothing. And at 360 no scope. That sounds kind of like a kid who wants to just like say something that didn't die. Like, I have lots of toys or something. Oh, this must be a capture the flag thing. Hi. I could just restart. Da, 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 da. There's a Humvee. That's not the Humvee I want. I need planes. Oh no, I don't. What's happening? No, I don't want ET. That's not really the Red Baron I'm looking for. I'm trying to find my B2 bomber. Where's the B2 bomber? Where's my bomb? Where's that bomber? I need bombs. I need everything that I could find. Imagine everybody who had a server filled with all 16 people was maximum. And having a gigantic dog fight like on teams, so like bombers and like other stuff. Like there'll be like 2 bombers. B2 bombers, I think. Oh, that's true. Okay. There's some anti-air, but I don't think I need some anti-air. Where is it? This is it? What? It's impossible. Well, I just will search for it, I think. And eventually I'll find it. Maybe if I just do B2 on it. Bomber doesn't work. Or bombs. Because I already tried it out. Well, I only did planes, so maybe B. Oh, the wrong thing. Where's the... Well, there are no bombers. Maybe it is. I know that one, but I need something with self-defense stuff. This one has 2 massive bombs. Oh. This one has guns. Maybe. Has the observer seat. Imagine just flying this and like seeing an airplane, so you shoot it down. Gonna just use. This plane's low. It's stalling. No. This plane doesn't work really good. No. I know this guy, his creations don't really work, so shouldn't have done that. But I tried out. This is a biplane after all. Brick Rigs Armed Forces. This is what you expect to find. Oh, pressed the wrong button. So expect if you oh, Jace, don't. Okay, Jace, be my gunner. Okay, drop 1. Press it. Right click. Okay, other bomb is middle click. Okay, let's try bomb. Let's try landing this. Not very easy flying this one, but hey, it has gunners, so it'll work. So can't say it won't be a good one. My brother had to help me bombing, cause if I let go of W, it just well drops to the ground. So I'm just gonna land this, then end the video. So it's not really that hard to land with this one. Oh, it's my fault if I land. So I'll land this soon. That was rough. Quick! Well, I guess I didn't land, so I'm gonna end it right here.